Hi friends, I hope you all are doing fine. So recently you saw the videos that we have created one prank app and which is the has a heavy high CPM ads in that is rewarded native and institutional ad. And after that we showed that the which ads has a very good quality ads and you will get a high CPM ads, and mostly people also use that app, that is a calculator app. We showed in the recently video, and today we will going to show some interesting app, and that is really makes you really money to you, and it's going to generate you huge money also. In upcoming videos I will going to show the ad mob and Facebook ads and unity ads also. In that I will going to show you how exactly the revenue will going to generate in that. I Next on the upcoming videos I will going to show you the proofs also, but today we will going to show you how exactly this apps makes money, and what is the really revenue model will be there in that, and how exactly the panel will be going to work, how many users you can able to see, and how you will going to going to control that application. So the mostly people call them the app is like in a rewarded app, and most people call the task application app also, because so many people use that. Before that so many people used to make in Thunkable and Apple apps, and so many kind of systems they will going to use. But today we will going to show you a task application that is quick money earning, and we have been developed this app. So right now I'm going to skip this. So this is an interface. Welcome to app. You will going to get a refer and program also is there. So get started. So you need to agree. So we will going to use a login credential here. So here we will going to do the logging. I think I used the previous version of that, so that's the reason it's been making a problem. So you can see this is our an app. You can see all over here screen. This is our banner section is there here, and here you can see we can able to add the banner panels and surveys, games. So if you are doing surveys, you will going to get a like this kind of a survey. So you need to understand here. So this is a survey that is you can able to get. It still does not verify that account, so that's the reason it's not showing. So this is the survey section. We'll go into home, and we will going to see game section here. So you can able to play the game, and you can able to earn the money here. And here the task section is same like in a task application survey, is the same thing only. Invite your friends, you can earn the money by WhatsApp or anything. So here you can see the ads are showing now only. So here daily checkout you will get a hot offers over here. So you can see here is a hot offer we have recently, and we have a spin and win section. So whether if I going to do the spin, so it will going to spin, and you will going to get a one ad. You need to watch that, and you will going to get a coins here. So this is in our app. It's been showing that this is an install rewarded and all kind of apps. Here you can see that is a 15 bonus has been recovered here. It's been showing. So you need to wait until this been completed. You can adjust it from your admin panel only. So back, this is a one section. This is a scratch and end section also. There is the same thing. You need to see the ads. You need to scratch. You need to see the ads. So right now I want to skip. You can't able to skip these ads, because if the people only going to see the ads, then only you will going to get a revenue. So this is like a completely rewarded app. It's kind of a task application. Whoever do the task, they will going to get a rewarded, or you can able to redeem also. I will going to show here. So I will going to show the admin panel also of this, how you can able to get. So here we have been completed, and you got a bonus of 26 points has been recovered, and you need to load. Wait for until this is a 3 seconds, 2 seconds and 1 second, then it will be going to be a play again. So I don't want to play here right now. So daily check-in and max quiz also will be there. So after the quiz, as you can see in everything, the banner ads will be going to run. Here you need to write a right answer, then you will going to get a ads. And here the videos on also is there. You can able to play your YouTube videos also here. So when I'm clicking here YouTube video, it will going to play, and it is for 30 seconds like that. So just I will go into back, and back, and after you complete it, you will going to get a one video, then you have to watch. And after you are doing here, you can see your wallet system. You can see right now I have a 935 coins. So here is the history, how many is there, how many have been redeemed, but right now it does not redeem at all. And when you go on a redeem, you can see here UPI, gift card, and PayPal and everything. So if I click on a UPI ID, so when I click on a UPI, so you can see here these coins I can able to redeem whether UPI or this here. So just like a temporary thing I'm doing here. So we can able to control everything from the back end only. So this is the redeem section and everything. You can see history and profile. Also you can see the leaderboard also, who is presently making a good money here, who is the top one and top two. I think I'm not in the top also here. So this is a very good app. Here you can make the revenue very good type, and here you can able to see the article also, you can able to read the website also, you can able to add from backend panel. So this is the backend panel, and this kind of application we already been published here. This is the app name quick earning app is there. So this is a completely app, and one more app also we have been published, a daily rewarded hub ending app. Whoever require this kind of a application, please contact us. We will going to provide you with admin panel and everything. I'll going to show you admin panel also. So this is an app. So here is a completely app of offers, and after that I will going to show you the admin panel also. Here I will going to show you one admin panel here. So as you can see, this is an admin panel. Here you can see all the user sections. Here is our complete user sections are there, user transaction is there, payment requests, whoever did the payment request also we have. And you can able to change your home screen also. According to that, you can able to change from backend. You no need to go there and you need to change here. Also you can promote your banner also here, as we have been added here banners and offers also you can able to add. So right now we made some offers here, so here you can able to see. And here is the game section also you have here. The games, HTML games, you can able to add it here. And website also you can able to add it here. And videos also you can able to add from here only. And notification section also you can able to add from here. And redeem section also you can able to categorize here in the redeem section, and you can able to adjust your coin sections and everything as a customization. And language settings also you have here. And ad setting, this is the most important part. And you can see here right now we have been activated AdMob ads. Yeah, you can able to add the ADX ads and Unity ads also you can able to activate it, Apple and everything. So right now we have been activated Google AdMob ads and Unity ads and Facebook ads we have been activated. You can activate a Lovian and everything, but right now we have been activated. So for this also you can able to make a customization also here. So here you go in the task section. So here you can see this is available network. I have been adjust first AdMob ad rewarded ads, check it. If it is not got the AdMob ads, then it's going to go to Unity ads. Unity ads will go and show. If it is not also there, then you will going to get a Facebook ads. So as you can, for a banner AdMob ads I'm using, for a backclick I'm using Unity ad, for a native I'm using AdMob ad. And for a, and without ads, if you want to add, if the users after seeing ads, whether it get the ads or not get ads, you want to add, you can add the coins, otherwise you don't need to add the coins. So like this section, and we have a more customizations also. Here you can see entire settings and everything. Spin settings is there, landing page also is there for this. And if you want, you can able to see the landing page also. Here we can able to create on your landing page also. Here you can see this is an our app, so here is a completely landing page, you can able to see it out. Okay, so here you can add Telegram and everything, pages also you can able to catches cleaning, and ad settings, more ad settings also is there. So which section, which ads you want to show, you can able to customize here. So I hope you people really like our video. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and please keep a bell notification for upcoming more videos, and you can able to make a more money. We will going to show you more ads in upcoming videos. You can able to see more ads that we have been making, task rewarded apps and some games also. In the upcoming video we are going to show the games and how you can able to make money from that. So please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.